What's going on, guys? We are back. Steve from Autoglass Direct. As you know, we are switching from Alltel to launch tablets. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, show you what's in the box. This is a launch X-431 torque link. So you have all your paperwork, product code, activation code. So here's the tablet. So let's check the back. As you can see, X-431 torque link. Just show you what it comes with. So we have a nice, so we'll explain the use of this in a little bit, but this is good if you're, let's say you're in a shop, you need a solid connection line for internet. Run this across the shop to the modem, and then you could plug it in right to the VCI. So we have a USB-C, 120 charger, USB-C to A. This is for the VCI to the OBD2. Then we have a USB-A to, I think that's a serial port. So these are one of the main reasons why we are switching. This is the newer SmartLink C VCI. So now with this, so they could pass through with OEM software remotely. And let's say if I need to program a module, let's say this doesn't have coverage to do some ADAS, lane departure, some diag work. So now they could pass through OEM software through the VCI into the vehicle. So I'm gonna come over here. This tablet's not set up yet, it's brand new. So we are switching the whole fleet. We are using a mix of Alltel and some OEM, you know. We're trying to get everything consolidated into one package, one tablet that could do it all, a one-stop shop. So as we have here, this is one of our launches that are already up and running. This is the regular menu. As you would scan a vehicle, calibrate it, you would do the standard here. So the reason why we were talking about OEM software passing through, so as you can see here, we are using asTech, and it's an application that goes right onto the tablet. With having the new SmartLink C, asTech can remote in with OEM software and program modules. They could read, write, they could, you know, let's say if the car is locked out, the coverage is not, you know, the regular launch software doesn't have coverage. If you have a brand new vehicle, they could go in with OEM, up to date, and get in there and do your programming and anything you need.
But also don't forget about the pre-scan and the post-scan.
Yes.
So some companies require
that's another good
any
thing.
kind
that's
of
another, yes,
body work or doing anything to the car itself, particularly like rental cars. So there's only a couple different manufacturers that they will, you know, acknowledge the pre and the post scan, and asTech happens to be one of them. So now having this equipped on, you know, having a tablet equipped on each one of our trucks, it really gives us a lot more diversification of coverage. So if the aftermarket isn't particularly up to date and it's not working on, you know, the car at the time, at least we could always remote into asTech and use that feature. It is something that you have to pay for extra. It's not like it's included in your subscription. It's, you know, a pay per scan or pay per recalibration, but it's a feature I think everybody needs. You know, launch is really dedicating their time to get it advanced as possible, and you know, this tablet really come in handy in a lot of different situations. I wish I had this in the last, you know, 7 years that we're doing ADAS. So now we're kind of consolidating everything, putting everything into one place. It's going to make things easier. Everything's rolled up, and then it's like, hey, we just send our tech out with this, and we don't have to worry about having multiple tablets on the van.
Which I also like. I used other systems before. They use different tablets. So asTech as an app being on this platform of hardware, it's really seamless. It's fast. You know, there's no lag. They could come in, they connect fast. So I used other systems before. You know, the tablets, you know, the batteries are dying. They don't start up. The connection is slow. But that's because, you know, this hardware is designed for diagnostic. So this setup here with the OEM pass-through with asTech, to me, is a perfect type of setup. And Mike's gonna explain to you some of the new features. There's
a couple new features, but the thing is, for me to like try to remember all this is just, it's too much. So I created a list to make it a little easier for me. So on these new, with the new updated software with the APK for the X-431. Some of the new features is Mercedes, right? So the Mercedes SGW has been added, which is it goes through AutoAuth. It's United States only. It's comparable to the FCA from Chrysler and Nissan, but there's an extra AutoAuth certification process the technician that needs to do. Then you have the VW Audi SGW unlock. There is an extra thing you're gonna have to purchase to use that, but once again, it's on the launch aftermarket software. We've ran into issues with other tablets that we've had where we weren't able to do the Volkswagen, we weren't able to get the Mercedes. We were at a body shop show recently, and like one of the biggest things was people talking about ADAS. Oh, can you get the Mercedes? Can you get the Mercedes? So now we're able to get a Mercedes. That solves a problem. We do work on a lot of those. Then they added predicated function, which is like a group code solution. And obviously, I think the biggest function out of everything is asTech. So we've been toying with this for the last few months. It's a game changer. This is something that is necessary. So my professional opinion, I paid for every one of these tablets. This is not any kind of sponsored video. I will tell you to get out of the tablets you're using now and switch over to launch, because they are light years ahead of everybody else. They're not telling you you can't use this stand or you can't use that stand. They're creating this software for the technicians because this is what's needed, and they want to get the job done, and they want to be able to support us. And on top of all that, the support from launch is way better than anybody else.
Hands down, yeah.
And there's a couple of little birdies are talking that they are gonna get a lot more remote support centers set up, and I think it's gonna be a big thing for people that are just getting into this, that need the help going forward. But once again, it's like, hey, this isn't just for the autoglass companies. This is like basically for everybody. You should, if you're a diagnostic guy,
right? OEM software.
Guy pulls up,
right there.
He opens his trunk or he opens the back seat of his car, and there's like tablets, computers. There's stuff everywhere.
The old school diagnostic.
This is just consolidating everything into one place, and I think it's going to be way more efficient. It streamlines the operation, and it makes things easier. Everything's in one place. It gets confusing when you're constantly jumping from program to program to program. Emails, this email, are the CSRs getting your pre-scans and your post-scans, or the technicians emailing them? It becomes really complicated on an operation base where it doesn't need to be. Now it's all streamlined, rolled up into one place. Hands down, if you need a new tablet, just buy a launch. It shouldn't even be a question in your mind at this point.
It's all about, like Mike was saying, it's all about the coverage. You want to have the right tool for the job when you get there, and you want to get it done. This is why we're using Launch and asTech.
So from everybody at Launch, everybody that's creating the software, I want to personally thank you guys, because you're making my company run better, making my company run more efficient, and moving into the future. You guys are obviously dedicating a lot of manpower and time to get to this level. So we really appreciate it, and we can't wait to see what you bring in the future.